family, today I'm going to be making a strawberry chia jelly. So let's start making it right now. I am going to start the recipe adding 2 to 3 cups of frozen strawberries. Just remember, it's okay if you don't have frozen strawberries. You could always use fresh strawberries. Next, I am going to leave the strawberries more time to get defrost and to get more softer. Once the strawberries are soft, I'm going to smash them with a potato smasher. Just to let you know, a fun fact about strawberries is about 8 strawberries provides more vitamin C than an orange. Continue with the recipe, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I am going to be adding the chia seeds. This is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now it's time to mix the chia seeds with all the ingredients. So I'm just going to give it a mix for a few, maybe a couple minutes, and then I'm going to add the next ingredient. It is time to add the honey. I am adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Just remember, if you don't have honey, just add any other sweetener that you have available. The honey that I'm using is this one, the raw unfiltered honey. In several of my videos, I always mention that always when you get honey, you always make sure that you look at this symbol that is certified honey. I'm also going to be linking a video of the healthy sweeteners, so you could have more options of what sweeteners to use. Now let's combine all the ingredients, the honey, lemon, and the chia seeds together with the strawberries. Now I am going to turn off the stove and I'm going to let the jelly cool down. It is time to transfer the jelly into a mason jar once it has cooled down. The jelly should last you for 1 week in the refrigerator with an airtight container. It is time to serve the jelly in some toasted bread. Now I'm going to prepare the bread with some nut butter and the jelly. The bread that I'm using is the sprouted bread. The nut butter that I'm using is the mixed nuts, but you could use any nut butter that you have available. Next, I am going to spread the strawberry jelly on the bread. Next, I am going to sprinkle some ham hearts. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you do the recipe. Before you leave, don't forget to check out the Healthy Sweeteners video. Until now, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!